Asia, no. Hi guys, coach speaking. The author of Forex Broker Killer. No, sorry about the technical network glitch or error. It turns out that I was actually connected to the Wi-Fi inside the house. So when I went outside to do the live, so the Wi-Fi couldn't get proper network signal. So I had to turn on my own data. I wasn't aware that the live has cut us off. So anyways, back to the topic. Yeah, as I was saying before, that this is the situation right now. Trading NFP using the 1 minute strategy. From literally zero balance, zero. So now this is a demo. Now I do it from zero balance, zero. And just so you should know, this is not my main trade. Just so you should know, this is not my main trade. When I show you guys my main trade, you are going to faint. You are going to faint. So anyways, yeah, so the balance is zero. I'm actually running the trades on credit with a leverage of 1:1000, right? A leverage of 1:1000 on MetaTrader 5. I want you to, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this is MetaTrader 5, by the way. MetaTrader 4 is outdated. We are moving with times now. Now we are moving with times. MetaTrader number 5. We are moving with times. Right? We are moving with times. So I won't show you my main trade because you will faint. You will faint. Already you are saying this one is a demo, and you know very well that it's real. You know very well. You are saying it's a demo. So what will happen if I show you my main trade? You will faint. You will commit suicide. Live, you will commit suicide. This is the power of 1 minute strategy. This is the power of 1 minute strategy. So now let us see how much I've made. 130. You understand? 130 you understand. In rands. I've made 1,750. 1,750 from zero balance. 1,750 rands from zero balance. Zero. So anyways, yeah, as I was still saying before, this is a new broker in town. I will tell you guys about it later on. For now, I want FBK students to be okay. I want FBK students to to take advantage of this offer before they remove it. So once FBK students have made money here, processed withdrawals and got paid, then that's when I can bring it to the public. But everyone else, you can relax. So FBK students, just keep quiet for now, please. Keep quiet for now, because once so many people come in, because every offer in every broker is limited. Trust me, every offer in every broker is limited. Once you start telling people about it, and everybody comes in and then they do their technical shit on this one, they will remove it though. And between you and I, we both know you don't have money to fund an account. And here I'm trying to show you that it is possible. It is possible to make money without actually depositing anything. You just need the skill. You just need the best mentoring. Understand? This is a credit bonus. Let them run to XM. Let them run to XM. It's fine. But we know that we are on MT5. This is the new era. I didn't put anything. I didn't deposit anything here. Next. 0. Understand? So yeah, FBK students, you know what it is. But otherwise, generally the aim is to inspire upcoming traders. I mean, whether you are an FBK student or not, for the mere fact that you are watching this live, my friend. Actually, let me switch the camera so you can hear me properly. For the mere fact that you are watching this live, you are my fan. I know you will pretend as if you are the best trader. You are my fan. If you are here, you are my fan. If you are here and you are not an FBK student, you are a fan. Let us not discuss that one, my friend. Otherwise, you have never seen me watching your lives, I believe. Have you ever seen me on your lives? No. So anyways, back to business. Yes, the aim is to inspire upcoming traders so they can see that it is possible. Otherwise, let us keep on hustling. Yeah, so yes, those who are saying it's XM, yes, it's XM. Go there, it's XM. Go and do it there. It's XM. Go and do it. It's XM. It's fine. Go that side. Anyways, back to business. Yeah, language. I hope you guys are inspired. Let me love and leave you guys. FBK students, I will send you the video, a full recording of the video, and probably it's just that my gigs are a bit hectic nowadays. So I'm supposed to do a Zoom meeting. Actually, I'm supposed to do a Zoom meeting discussing this skill that I have here, but my time schedule is still hectic due to gigs and all that and other businesses that I'm involved in. But otherwise, I'll find time and I'll send messages in the groups updating you guys as to what's what. But I have to host a Zoom meeting. So now I'm asking for one favor. I want you guys to record this. When I say record this, I don't mean record it. I mean see this, witness this. This is my first official trade. The second official trade is coming soon. When you see it, don't act like you never saw it coming. Like, understand? Otherwise, my fellow hustlers, living sharp again. Living sharp. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Otherwise, lisa wara Baba commenting negatively, I block them. I block them already. Gone. They will never, when I go live next time, they will never see my lives again. Commenting, block and now I block Papa. Because there is no way you would follow somebody you don't like. Why are you following me? Block. Otro live at Tatao. It's not Tatao now. So, anyways, my people. Let me go eat. Lunch control. Let me go eat. Let's not give up, man, my people. Don't give up. I mean, this is evident enough that it is possible to do it from nothing. So anyways, baloi ya block. You will never see my lives again. Never. You will never. You will see screen records of people and comment on those people. You will never. I will block you. Between you and I, we both know you can't live without me. Every day before you sleep, you secretly come to my timeline to seek inspiration. But on the comment, you're pretending as if you are a legend. You are nothing. Don't block. Live. I'm anyways, now, man, technology. You open. When you open the door, you don't knock or go. No, you press. Then they will open for you. You press, they will open for you. How? Technology. They don't know to open. You see, they opened. Kalis, we can say about my